So how much well prepared is the second line after you?
My son has joined me in the business. He is with me since last almost 12 years, and he is handling the marketing and the production. Beside that, we have a good team. As I said, we have very young people who are associated with us for a long time. They've started the career with us. Beside that, we have a team of elderly people who guide the new team or the freshers to develop them as good engineers. Beside that, we have started an institute where we offer a course related to the transformer engineering, or rather all aspects of transformer engineering. We give the admission in this course to the diploma holders from the colleges in Gujarat at this stage. This course is meant for the diploma holders, and the time period for this course is 28 weeks rather, wherein 4 hours of theory we teach them, which includes all aspects of engineering, starting from design to the soft skills. And beside these 4 hours of theory which we teach them, they have to work as a worker for 8 hours. And when they come out and when they clear this exam, they are going to be the best engineers available in the market. So we intend to offer these candidates to the other transformer manufacturer as well, so that there is no shortage of the transformer engineers, and we as India as a country, we manufacture good and better transformers to compete with the outside world.
What is the marketing infrastructure you have got?
We have regional people, regional head, I would say, in Calcutta, who looks after the eastern region and also the central part of India. Then we have one regional head in south who looks after the entire southern belt. Then we have 2 people in north. They are independently working. One is looking after the government business, one is looking after the private business. And then we have a team of people in the head office, headed by my son, Joint Managing Director Satyen Mamtora. He looks after the overall marketing, beside looking after the western region.